Now let's talk about accessing elements from the two-dimensional arrays. To access elements or items from two-dimensional arrays, we can use a comma-separated integers representing the dimension and the index of the element. Let me show you that in a practical example. Let's access the second element on first-dimensional array inside a two-dimensional array. Here we have a two-dimensional array, and it has two dimensions. The first dimension in the two-dimensional array has index 0, and the second dimension in this array has index 1. So if you want to get the second element in the first dimensional array, you have to put the index of the first dimensional array inside the two-dimensional array, and after that the index of the second element from the first dimensional array, and whose value is equal to 20, as you can see. Also from this array, say we want to display the third element in the second dimensional array inside this two-dimensional array. Look at here now. The index of the second dimensional array inside the two-dimensional array is equal to 1, and the index of the third item inside this second dimensional array is 2. So we got 60 in the output. The third element in the second dimensional array is 60. It is very simple and fun. Now it's time to talk about how to access items from the three-dimensional arrays. Well, to access elements from the three-dimensional array, we can use comma-separated integers representing the dimensions and the index of the element. Let's take a simple example to access the third element of the second array of the first array. This three-dimensional array has two arrays, and each array of them has two arrays also. So first we typed the index of the first array in the two biggest arrays, which has index 0. The index 0 in this case is the index of the first two-dimensional array in the three-dimensional array. After that, inside the first two-dimensional array, we have two arrays of one-dimensional array type. The first one has index 0 and the second one has index 1. And we put 1 to get the third element inside this array, and the third element has the index 2, which is equal to 8, as you can see in this case. We got 8 in the output. It is very simple. Try to do this by yourself, and if you need any help, please ask me and I'll answer you as soon as possible to provide you with support and assistance. I am here to help you all the time. Thanks a lot for watching. See you again next lesson.